Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix unexpected client behavior on Roblox. To fix this issue, first you have to make sure your internet connection is working fine. For that, you have to scroll down and see if your internet is working properly or not. For that, you have to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile network. And now you have to open your Roblox app and see if you are still facing this client behavior option or not. If you are still facing this error, then you have to go to your status bar again and now click on aeroplane mode for 5 seconds. After that you have to click on it again and now you have to switch to your mobile data. This will help you to reset your mobile internet and fix your issue. After that you have to open your Roblox app and see if you are still facing this client behavior error or not. Hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. If you are still facing this error, you have to go to your home screen and now click on your Roblox app and go to your customer support and tell them you are facing this client behavior error. They will help you for further assistance. This method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.